What if I told you the IRS doesn't want you to see this video? Because right now AI is flipping the script on taxes, and it could put $10,000 back in your pocket by April. But here's the catch. You've got to act fast. Hey, money masters, let's get one thing straight. Taxes aren't just boring paperwork. They're a war. And last year, the average American overpaid by $1,500. That's a vacation, a new laptop, gone. Poof. But today, you're grabbing the ultimate weapon. Let's dive in. Act 1. The problem. Let's talk about why taxes suck. You're scrambling last minute, guessing at deductions, praying you don't get audited. Sound familiar? And the IRS? They're counting on you to mess up, to leave money on the table, to pay their salary. But here's the kicker. You're not broke. You're being robbed. And unless you want to fund the government's next coffee machine, you need to fight back. Now, enter your new tax superhero, AI. And no, it's not just ChatGPT writing your emails. These tools, they're smarter, sneakier, and, let's be real, way better at math than you. So let's break down the 3 tools the IRS hopes you'll never find. Tool number 1, the AI Tax Assistant. Meet your 24/7 tax guru. This thing cross-references every deduction. Yes, even your side hustle selling cat memes. It's like having a CPA who works for ramen noodles. See that number? That's not a typo. That's your money. And it gets better. This tool predicts audits before they happen. Imagine the IRS getting a pop-up saying, "Nice try." But there's a downside. Once the IRS catches on, this loophole could vanish. Use it now. Tool number 2, Predictive Tax Analytics. Ever wish you could time travel to next tax season? Boom! This tool's crystal ball shows how every financial move impacts your taxes. Buy a Tesla? Get a raise? It'll tell you exactly how to keep more cash. And yes, it's legal. The rich have used this for years. Now it's your turn. Pro tip: if you name your firstborn blockchain, you get a discount. Kidding? Unless? Cliffhanger. Ominous IRS audit letter appears on screen. But wait, there's one tool they fear most. Tool number 3, automated deduction. This bad boy finds deductions you'd never think of. Work from home? Deduct your Wi-Fi? Deduct your Netflix. Okay, maybe not Netflix, but you get the point. Rover's earning his kibble now. This tool's the difference between a refund and a fortune. But you've got 11 weeks until April. TikTok. Act 3, the resolution plus CTA. Let's recap. AI just handed you the keys to $10,000. The only question is, will you take it? This isn't about cheating the system. It's about playing smarter. The wealthy don't work harder. They work faster. And in 2025, speed looks like AI host. So click the links below. Grab these tools. And if the IRS asks, smirks. You didn't hear it from me. Speaking of the future, want to turn $1,000 into moon money? Tap that next video, because while the IRS hates AI, Elon Musk loves rockets. See you there.